My name is Ted Kwon. I have been working in Nikkiso, Korea about 3 years, and I'm working at aftermarket service. Everybody enjoys working as a global team because if I see only Korean market when I do the sales, my mind is just stuck. But when I share my ideas together with my global team, there will be various ideas comes together as a one team. I can apply these great ideas to my market, which is great synergy for everybody. Those kind of things are always helping me and my own growth. After the great training of my company, I could start to work as a service technician first, and then finally I grown to work with the sales as well. Since I joined to this company, I could meet plenty of learning opportunities from the company and from the site and then from the customer. This is great time to be part of Nikkiso.